Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I gonna show you how to fix Windows desktop icons not working properly or not showing properly or any another error regarding icons. So friends, you can fix very easily. Firstly, click on start, type run and open run application, and friends, in here type app data, so APPDATA. Then click on OK. In here click on local. Now friends, in here click on view. Then click on hidden items. Now scroll down. Now friends, in here you will find a file icon cache. So right click on it and click on delete. Now close it and right click on taskbar. Now click on task manager. Now friends, in here navigate and find out Windows Explorer. This one, so click on it and click on restart. Close it. So friends, hopefully using this very simple and easy method, all error regarding Windows icon will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.